Yeah, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see, don't know. Share some memories about my brethren, GITHRIE, Curry, who was murdered in Brixton. You understand what I say? And described by the authorities as a yardy type, enforcer type character. You know what I say? Me and Curry now got through a little experience in a GP when we were youth star. Yo, we up on say A not, B not, C not. C not in a GP in the early 90s this time. Mid 90s. And you wanna see you have a exactly behind our cell now. You have another joining section around at the back. I think it named E naught or G naught. I don't remember which one of the naught them around this. You know, see. And one day we in our cell in the evening after them lock we down, you know. We in the cell and hear some rattling. Me, Curry, a monkey man from Barbican and things like that. You know, see. Oh, peep through the little grill. You know. Up at the choppy. We connect us between the back and back cell and we see a little shadow move, a little shadow movements are going behind the grill, you know? You know them little fine mesh grill. So we not too make it too obvious, you know, we just act like, you see? So a little more now we go so book now and pull off our grill. When them gone for them belly, just pull off our grill and go and push your hand in there and feel out what them a feel out. Yo, General, first thing we find axa, we find cement, we find knife, we find ratchet, we find knife big like cutlass. You know, see, I must younger drugs we don't find in there. Must no weed alone we don't find there. That way I look fine, you know? Because we think of weed, the man them hide around the star. Think sentence man hide them weed around there, that, you know? We are trying to invade it. Anyway, we find them, so. You want to see a valuable items them there in our prison too. So we go so book and hold on upon them and have them. You know, but to a degree, we don't have nowhere for lock them because at the best trap in that same place so we get them because a little gap there between the cell them share, you know, by we and them man there. You know, see, so we don't really have nowhere for put them except back behind there so. And we don't want them find them back. You know, see. No. You saw a youth named Shower Owie from Rima, I think, where him and man garden man them link and the whole thing. You know, see, no one want to Shower Owie and our way, but a long time, general. Some of them, most of them choppy there now was guard man them ratchet and thing like that. You know what I say? So, it's like say, man them want about them thing. You obviously them all want about them thing, but we don't know, we not give back them, we can't give back them. Them there be like me I say, you know see. We hold on upon them and we know we not know where to lock them. You know see, show we come around the try reuse we forget them back or get back some of them out. I said, nah man, you don't know, we hold on upon them gun here. I said go. You know see it and we have the gun them, so them can't do nothing. You know see them because so that are the name for them implement the inner jail code name, so that everybody knows say I talk about something where contraband. You know see, so them back off. Cause again, you know, for them brand or them region where them come from, our brand or our region will come from and a bigger brand, you know see. Especially given the geography of the prison. At east it there, same way, you know see, so them back off. But we have the thing them there. For months, you know, we have them and we are long them and we are run them and everybody know and nobody approach her. You don't know because we think never really boy out in that prison type of thing. You know see it so. One day you know, water them come for a search because we used to have some water we come in our coaster bus, you know, special search detail them there, you know, them acid we call them, you know see. Acid come raid the section man and find the thing them start. Long story short. Acid find the thing them. You know see it. And You see, to the discoveries, like one of the biggest discovery them ever have in a JP history. To the man them are going. You know, so the man them call all other water from gun court. Well, them call them and tell them and them interested in to find so much that's why they left off a duty, or when them duty done, them come beat with them. You see, look when they implement them and beat to come and tell you, say, for the whole day, water take way out, I will sell different set of water take way out, I will sell. It's the first set of water we're up on duty, because let them find it in the morning water, they beat with, mash way up and go home. You see it. Then the afternoon water, them come on and hear about the score and, you know, take you out, I will sell again. Boy, I want to do a sound of DJ, I want to plan for escape. Ray, Tony Brown, nephew, you bring it, come here, so too. You know, see it, mash me up again, you know, man. I tell you, halfway I run up and down all over the prison yard, you know. Anybody who don't see that, still, I see this, all of the water, they will watch this. I watch this, no. Yo, the man, them have where I run with right around the prison yard, man. Basically all day. Them just, when them tired, them just lock with them back and a new fresh set come take with you. Yo, in the night now, late night in a star, I say, come like, me don't know what happen. Come like a 3-shift GP have star. Late night, the man them come take with you. Well, not really late night, you know, but night in the night, the man them come take with you again, because fret, we are fret now, you know, the prisoner not supposed to depend yard after certain hours, you know. You liable to get gunshot and any car drop on you. You know, see, because man, I just say, you escape, you're supposed to either yourself. You know, see, and there's a history with the authorities, the prison authorities in Jamaica, where they have a riot at Spanish Town, and the man them open up, the man them sell them, and night time and just kill them off and say escape them, they try to escape. A lot of them, whole heap of man dead in that. You know, see, I really have the facts and figures, but it's a documented part of the prison history. You get what I say? An old man water, I don't know where him come from, but it's like him did have some form of experience with Tony Brown in the past or something. So when him come on duty, I guess Tony Brown, nephew, have axe, blade and cement and all of them sitting there in a field cell, cutlass, where them find. The man make it him duty if come take away what I selling now, man. Because he want proof for him pint. You know, see it? I'm saying, the whole joke about that drama is that's when the old man come and take you out of the cell, the man goes to book him one big, like, well, you don't know, rank up. You know? Man take you out of the cell star and boy, you a Tony Brown nephew, you come here so with you, hey boy, you think your uncle can and Ray Tay and go so and draw back and go so boop! Straight in the curry mouth, you know. See? But you see the thing is, when he thumb Curry in his mouth, Curry stand up same way, so I look on him like Curry, I look say, what him think him do? Him not catch me right. The old man I feel him can punch me from I feel it or something like that. But then him realize the ramification of not reacting to the punch there, like a soft punch upon him lip. This after about 20 seconds, you know. The man then stand up and look like him and say, then at them time that him realize, so he say, anyhow, I'm not French. I'm gonna kill him with lick. And then about 20 seconds after the old man thump him in the mouth, him goes, oh God, big excitement. Big excitement like it's a cow kick him in the face, you know. This make the old man feel brave now and proud of himself, you know. Yes, me say, yeah, that's obvious that the man never feel that at the beginning you tough up yourself now and you know, behave with yourself, I be them things when we get a prison and rotate and blame. That's the whole of it they are flinch and go on like say the fist is a cow foot. When you go through the amount of liquor we get from man in my general, I tell you say, John no, Chris Cross, anywhere there you, Skeleton, big up yourself man, you don't see it. Yeah man, yeah, I said the man them beat me and run me down all day. Round the prison yard star, I tell you, Virgin Curry. Curry come and England come dead. Years after the murder Curry still. You know see it, cause for put it simple, Curry never did expect anything like that. See? Given the times and things like that. And them did under a whole heap of police pressure everywhere him go. Armed police pull him up and search him car and them thing they dig him down bad. So you know say there is no way, no shape or form he would have been prepared for an incident like that. entirely prepared. You understand what I say? So the man them walk up on him and take advantage of that little defect. You know see it? And a there and then it happened. Them gunshot him. Bust a one shot in him chest. Boy pop off him gun and I try jam him and Curry grab him and grab the gun. You know see it? I don't know if the boy deliberately bust it in a Curry chest or a gun. I feel a bust him. Yeah, the boy deliberately bust it in a Curry chest and you don't know the shot going in a Curry lungs. You know see it? But what really killed Curry is Curry bridge, pick up Curry off of the scene and carry Curry go, claim say I carry Curry go hospital like a Jamaican with it. You know see it? The ambulance faster, 100 million times faster. Because when them flick on for them blue light, that's the thing with England. When an emergency service flick on them blue light, everybody pull over and give them the road. Straight sailing. You understand what I'm saying? And ironically, it's like the ambulance center or the nearest hospital was like 15 minutes or less away, about 10 minutes away or less. You understand? We just don't want to exaggerate. Far less. You know, see, the man pick him up and I carry him to a hospital where him know to feel him knowledge. And that hospital is about 30-40 minutes away. You understand what I say? So again, and you are carrying the hospital and the ambulance even reach you faster than how you could have picked him up and put him in the car once them get the car. Believe you me. Yeah, me nah take that from Britain. You know see it? And the wickedest thing, if needs be, the emergency service will screen off the location and perform a surgery right this upon him. You understand what I said? Them resourceful like that. You know see it? So essentially, it's a man where attempt to do something positive, cause the loss of life. You know see it? And a man they go get sentenced for some conspiracy or some responsibility for the murder, but just through the facts of well then him did only try something for help, you know? Them love him. Them only deport him. You know see it? Now I call him name for creating an ill feeling and a bad vibes or nothing, but you don't know you. You don't know. You know see it? Yeah man, but you don't know enough respect to my brethren man, enough history and enough things to go through man. You know see it? You don't know my general. R.I.P. man, you know see it? More blessed. Share, like and subscribe, you know?